Ndio ntigera iyo ntoki ya siasa nje muna manyete na maana na kwa tanda he was my first boss, thank you very much. Lakini rende ekero kwa rero montegete montigano nyogege egete emyaka Bobasi ba amenye bogetutu batu myaka erenga ikono tigana nende seboke na tutatoa political hygiene, siasa ya maskani. Ondabi oke, atigeronde, ondabi oke, lerabe buya. Erebiya ko serebe. Iwo mheshimiwa mbiya sai whatever, we promise ntumbiya tole serikali mbiyere magoso taiyo. Ina magendero ntunyaroje jibasa rimojiroje ojenga kiongwa basa dinjarengo. Jarengo jibasa. Bwana itiye yes, ni tutuweka Kisii County Government nere ya kabere kubwati mwanga. Yes, yeah, omanyete igondo mwaramu no mwarara mwana mheshimiwa teka. Lakini no makongo mtu sana. Omosike Governor Paul Simbore ntire pori ya SNG yiga no arenga na ni marago. Mwakwana imwakwa ni temo gakora na enda kabira yahaye. Omwana yo mwatora oyu amagana nagambe tuna gavana mukagamba mugakora tita dikoyora ebya gatatongo gikokora baminda abantu baminto nagotora atame gukwana tote abigu ndatuogerere lakini gasinkororeka ya sego korekana chipara amachayo nebinte binge ibonga na kwandwa togo etamuranga mayegoche ko likibuga ambite ko yarekana tigano muwasilano re myaka ya yero Edio Moerio Mugabana Simba igante tata nsobeke digekiaye elindemba banege torana ngo. It is with profound sorrow that we receive the sad news of the demise of our officer and colleague Mr. Peter Osugo with the utmost and profound shock. It's so unbelievable. The late Peter was a county government employee who was serving as an enforcement officer since 2009. He has been discharging his duties diligently in all sections of enforcement and compliance. As government, we have lost a hard-working, dedicated and passionate member of staff whose service was highly recognized and shall greatly be missed. His departure is not only a big loss to the Kisii County, but the family as well. May the Almighty Father give you strength as you pursue the remaining part of your lives. Igampe mwika mba shiringi wema rongebere elindo mpe mwya umungina na bojiko kukonya babaso kuri ofisi yo mwana ayani na ya siasa ntune kuane ka chinga kitira ike asaba abalende na nda bagache aba strength na ndo mwetera ni ayo aba buguma bwaka na kare. Thank you very much.
Temo kiren